Rosal. What's this? What's this to read? You are going to write the sentence. What's this? You read? Tagalog. L. Go to this at. Here. Okay. Very good. And T. Very good. Ang.
Only one.
You follow, no tapos, no lapos. You follow the line. There is a line. Oo. Yeah, below. K. R. Big R. No, lapos. Small. You follow my writing, the small one. Here. No, okay.
Only one.
Only one. Here, no, you're going to copy this below. There are 3. Follow this. You read this.
What is mabangong?
Mabangong. Mga.
What is magambong?
Mabango. Sweet. Smell like the perfume, like the flowers.
What is bubulak?
Bulaklak. Flower. Mabangong mga bulaklak.
Only 2.
Okay, that's 1. Then 1, finish, and this here. 3, only 3. Here is not good. Don't agree.
5 is hard.
Small. Follow my writing.
5 is impossible.
Yes. Small, small. Follow my writing, small one. Small. Mabangong bulaklak. Smell good. The flowers. Sweet. Ito niya dayon mag-play. Activity first before playing. And we are going to have this.
3 is easy.
Yes, it's easy writing. Let's follow the line. Look at my writing. It's small. Follow my writing. That's why I wrote that. You can follow. Small one. The hair, bulaklak, flowers.
That's a story.
Yes. That's the story ang Rosal at ang Rusa. No, 2 flowers.
Oops.
Oops. Here. Ano. You follow my writing, small one. Then you're going to write your name here. This time, your writing is good na. Ba? Okay, Kaden?
Okay.
Okay. Small, not big.